Hello, I'm Cassandra Lee, and let's get into this unboxing. So, I bought a ring light from Amazon. All the links will be down below in the description box. As always, I will let you guys just listen to some cute music, and I will give you my review at the end of the video. So this is the JianJing ring light. My first initial thoughts are it's pretty cool how they compact everything in this box here so that way you can travel with it. The ring light is a little bit smaller, I would say, than my 18-inch newer ring light that recently stopped working, so this is why we're trying out this brand. This was a purchase from Amazon and it was around $80 to $83. I wanted to get something that was affordable and also on Prime, so that's why I chose this brand. They have the black color and the pink color. I do like that the warm and the cool tone of the light are on a dial, so that way I can turn it. opposed to having to change the actual, I don't know what it is called, but changing the frame on the ring light to make it either a warmer or a cooler setting for the light. I do like that they included the remote. Once I get some AAA batteries, I will go ahead and test that out and show you guys what it all can do, as well as that remote, so that way you can, you know, press, like, record from a distance or what have you. It's Bluetooth activated, so you just connect the Bluetooth to your camera or your phone and you can click from wherever you are. So first initial thoughts, it will do. So I'm happy that I got an affordable working ring light. It's definitely going to do what I needed to do, just for the purposes of well lit footage. And I don't believe, I have it on a cooler, kind of warmer in the middle setting, and it's not even all the way up. So right now, this is like how bright it is. This is the absolute brightness. And I'm gonna turn it back down so you guys can kind of see. I think I had it there, but I'm not sure. Now it's off, now it's low. I really can't tell because I'm not in the back of it, but it's working really well. And that's all I care about. So I would say that the stand, see that it's a little bit, I'm getting a call. Hello? I'm doing a review on my ring light right now. Yeah, you're totally ruining everything. I didn't think you were gonna talk to me for a long time. $18X, yeah. Okay, bye. So what I was saying is the stand, that was my mom. So what I was saying is the stand is, it's a little bit wobbly and I don't really know. I don't want to like really ruin what's going on here, but, oh, sorry, precious. The stand's just a little bit, it's not as sturdy as my newer ring light stand. That's why I was trying to see if it would fit. Not really. So I would say that's like right now off the bat, for me, the only thing that I've noticed. Because the ring light does what it's supposed to do, right? But the stand is just a little bit more on the less sturdy side compared to this newer ring light. Yeah. Which is really durable and sturdy. And it just made sense how, you know, you open it. But everything's cool. I'm happy that I made this purchase. And I'm happy that I'm going to be able to continue to put some content out for you, because definitely lighting is important when making content, and wanted to make sure that I had something while we're able to invest into a more expensive, sturdier, wider ring light. Check out my nails also. I didn't make a complete video about my nails. I only made like a YouTube short, so if you guys want to see that, it's just like a little short on this set. I'm going to, so yeah guys, I want to thank you for supporting my channel. I want to thank you for being alive, right? That's great, it's a blessing. Remember that you are loved, remember that you are strong, and always look for the beauty of things. I hope that you guys have a beautiful, blessed day, afternoon, and evening, and you continue to see the beauty in life. I'm gonna see you later, get started on some curvy nails. Bye.